Hi. Oh, so sorry. I was a little busy when you called. Yeah. Oh, I can see that. I mean, you keep the time, and that's really good. Speaks good of you. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. For keeping the time, I'll give you $1,000. How about that? Are you happy? Oh, I love you too. Listen, I can't really talk much now. Okay. So why don't you meet me at the Spark Hotel, room 511. I'll repeat, the Spark Hotel, room 551. Just put it on the map. Yes. Okay. Yeah, you use your Google map. It will bring you straight to the hotel. All right. See you there. Bye. Yeah.
You're going out early today?
Yeah. Some cars arrived today. I have to go inspect them myself.
Or you have a manager who attends to your car business?
That guy, he is not effective. He makes a lot of mistakes, and that's not good for the company.
Mistakes such as?
You really want to know? Okay. Due to negligence, carelessness, he misplaces some of the car documents, and that's too expensive for me.
You shouldn't hesitate to lay him off if he makes such a mistake again.
Exactly my point. You see, this is why I don't like to tell you things because my wife has a short fuse for nonsense.
I hate waste, especially when it's waste of hard-earned resources.
I know. When are you going out?
In an hour's time, I'll be dressed for work.
All right, I'll see you when I get back.
Stay safe. Love you.
Wow, this is cozy. I like it. Like it. I love it. Woo! What is wrong with this door? Yes. This is what I'm talking about. Mm, mm. Oh my God. Okay. Let's see what's happening here. Oh. Hello, Nelly.
I am fine, Sochi. I called earlier, but you did not take my calls.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. That's why I'm calling you back now.
Okay, but I came back and I did not see you.
I went out.
Where exactly?
Oh, my God. I went to see Chief.
In his hotel room, I guess. Right?
Yes. Do you have a problem with that?
No, I don't have a problem with it. But Sochi, I mean, you cannot continue doing this with a married man. Stop.
Nelly, save me your sermon. Please.
I know the truth is bitter, right? But trust me, I will keep telling it to your face. Stop.
I'm not interested in your truth. Okay? Don't be a hypocrite, girl. I mean, we do the same thing.
No, girlfriend, no. We are not.
The only difference is the end product. We sleep with men who are not our husbands for money.
Girl, you are getting it wrong. I don't date married men, but single guys. And let me tell you, you see these single guys I date. One day, one of them might just decide to marry me.
And who says Pinkala cannot get married to me? Huh?
He cannot marry you, and we all know that.
Oh, really? You said it yourself, so you should be the one explaining. Tell me, why is he not going to marry me?
Pikala is married. He has a wife. How do you expect him to marry you?
Yes, he can. It's called polygamy, and it's legal all over the world. Let me tell you what you don't know, girl. 90% of women are ready to be second wives. Don't be deceived by what they tell you on social media, okay? Half of them are already dating married men. And if the need arises, I'll give it a shot.
Wait, Sochi? God, this girl, you... Don't tell me you're planning on becoming a second wife. Really?
Nelly, you know what? I came here to have fun and take some rest. You're getting in the way, you're interfering. Please do not disturb. Okay? When I come home, we're going to argue it all you want. But for now, it's goodbye.
No, you must be out of your mind. Something they worry you for head.
Bye-bye.
You can't continue doing this. Hello, Sochi? This girl must be a second wife. For what? I will not allow that happen.
What is this? Oh.
Good morning, ma'am. What can we do for you today?
I hate it when you ask me the same question each time I visit this office. Does it mean you don't get tired of asking that question?
You said it yourself, ma'am. It's an office. And we have to behave corporate at all times.
Oh, you are right. But behaving corporate does not include doing the same thing and expecting a different answer.
Fine. How can we help you today?
Oh my goodness. The stupid girl has just asked me the same question again.
Excuse you?
You heard me right. Because it's only an act of stupidity that will make you repeat same question over and over
Ma'am,
again.
I'm only taking this because it's an office.
Oh. Fine girl. So if this wasn't an office, what would you do?
You wouldn't like to see the outcome, ma'am.
My darling, can we just take a step outside the office premises? Because I really want to know what you're capable of. Can we?
Well, ma'am, I am not a mad woman. Certainly some people are, but as of now, I need to, go back to work.
You'll soon have my time. Loser.
And where do you think you're going?
I'm going to see my man, the one you're trying to snatch away from me.
Well, my boss is not a
Liar!
This lady, excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. Madam! Madam, what do you think you're doing? Why would you just barge into an office like this?
I'm very certain something is wrong with you. Are you okay?
You know what? It's still too early for this drama.
Who is acting drama with this one? Get out.
Madam, as you can see, the man you came to see is not on seat. So I request you please leave.
I am very sure I'm not the one you're asking out of this office.
The last time I checked, there's no one else here. Of course I'm talking to you.
Wait. What gives you the effrontery to talk to me in that manner? Have you gone bananas?
Will I say they send this one, come on. Madam, look me while at a crease. I will lock you in this office and nothing will happen. Okay?
You won't dare.
Really?
What's giving you these guts? Does Pinkala sleep with you also?
Come on. I won't condescend so low to sleep with a married man.
Come on, shut up! I know your type. I don't even condescension low. See her mouth. I know your type. Your type will go as far as fighting for a married man. You will even tell the married man to send his wife away and bring you in. You will remain faithful for a married man because of what you get. I know you.
Exactly. You just defined who you really are.
How dare you?
Don't you even dare. If you raise that your filthy hands on me next time, I promise you, to God who made me, you won't use that hand for the next 6 months. Now get out of this office. Get out!
Who's that? We need to check something in your bathroom.
Hello, who are you? Oh my God, who let this? What are you doing here? Who are you? I asked you a question. Are you missing your way?
I am Lady Moon. Where is my husband?
I don't get you. I don't understand. What do you mean by where is your husband?
Young lady, do not play dumb with me. I said, where is my husband?
What is the meaning of this? You're in my space asking of your husband. I don't know who your husband is.
I know you're kind.
Where are you going? You're invading my privacy. What's wrong with you? What are you doing? What do you want? Woman, who do you think you are to just walk into this place and say you're looking for your husband like I'm supposed to be holding him?
I've got my eyes on you. The day I see you with my husband will be your very last.
That's a threat and I don't take it lightly.
What can you do?
What?
What just happened? What just happened? That's Pinkala's wife. Oh my God. What if Pinkala was here? This woman would have killed me. Where's my phone? That's Pinkala's wife.
Babe, on a more serious note, you need to upgrade. I feel so ashamed telling people that you work as a receptionist in a company. Man, the nature of your job is so belittling.
I don't understand.
You know what I'm talking about.
It's like you were not listening to me when I told you about my salary structure, did you?
Let's not just go through that argument again. So tell me, how is it?
Who?
Your man, of course.
He's fine.
sound well. What is it?
Nothing much.
Babe, come on. You know you can talk to me about it.
He wants to come see my people.
That's great news. Best news of the day.
But I don't want him to come yet.
Why?
Because I'm working on something. And I don't want to start talking about marriage, so I wouldn't get distracted. Don't even ask me about it because I won't talk to you about it. It's personal.
Personal that you can't share with me.
No. Listen, this is something I've pursued over the years. And I wouldn't want to talk about it. I don't want to lose focus. I don't want to get distracted. So let's just leave it at that, okay?
I'm so surprised. When do we start keeping secrets? Eh? EJ, what is it?
Nothing. Can you just drop it?
What? Your facial expression. You are not... Babe.
Madam, good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I am fine, ma. Welcome.
Tony.
Tony Uche, a.k.a. Papa Oho, a.k.a. Ezoho.
What's the meaning of Papa or Ezo?
Oh, never mind, ma. Never mind. Oh, just my
Is
name.
your madam in?
No. My mother is not in. She's not in.
Has it been long she went out?
Somehow.
Okay, let me wait for her inside.
It's all right. Madam, don't be offended, though. Today is my birthday.
Wow!
Birthday boy.
Happy birthday to you.
The same to you. Sorry, thank you. You know, say the thing sound like a Happy New Year, Happy Christmas, you know. So sorry, man. Same
So,
to you.
where are you celebrating it?
Celebrate with?
The birthday.
I don't have, where? But there's no money for celebration. How would they go there? I come out to say everywhere, but there's no money.
But do you want to celebrate it?
If there's money, I will celebrate it now. I go there, to.
Fine. Later, you just send me your account details. Write it and send to me. Let me give you something so you can buy cake.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Hey! Why you
I'm inside.
Thank you, ma. When there is money for bed, for cake, we go to war. I'll just buy you one and then bring it on. Why you put it in Papa? Mama!
It's been long you got here.
No, I just arrived. What happened to your face? You're not looking bright.
One of the numerous girls distracting my husband.
Lady Mo, don't tell me you still chase girls around because of your husband. Huh?
So really, what exactly are you saying?
You know men are polygamous in nature. And you cannot take it out of them. It's in them.
Lady Moon, my husband, I can and I will. I will take it out of him. I will take it out of him.
How long have you been chasing your husband around town? Have you caught him with any girl? Have you stopped your husband from going after one girl or the other?
No. Actually, no. It hasn't stopped him from chasing girls, and that's because I haven't caught him before. But I promise you that the very day I catch him with any girl, that same girl will pay the price for all the sins every other girl he has been with has committed. Trust me on that.
And the sad news is you will never catch him.
I don't understand. Are you on my side or on the side of my husband? Because what was all this?
You know I'm on your side. And also on the side of the truth. You know very well your husband is a smooth operator. He knows how to cover his tracks. My dear, if I were you, I will just leave this man.
I will not leave him as my
and
husband.
work on myself. Channel that energy on yourself.
What do you mean by work on myself?
You know what I mean? So there is no need for that question.
Fidelia, at this point, I don't even know where you're coming from. I don't know what you are up about. You need to explain to me what you mean.
You're into men. I mean small boys that are young enough to be your younger brothers. So how do you...
Excuse you. Are you here to cast aspersions or what? Because, I mean, what are you going around in circles?
That is not what I mean. I'm here to tell you the truth. If you continue like this, you will get high blood pressure.
Fidelia, you're the one that would have high blood pressure. It's not me. You're doing all this because it's not your husband who's going around chasing girls.
Please never reach insult. Wait, all these things you are doing doing it as a sign of revenge or what? Or is there another thing you're not telling me?
Well, for the records, that is not for revenge.
Then what is it all about? Because I don't understand you. Your eye no clear.
Really? You were almost caught. So at what point did you notice she was actually following you?
So, I realized she was behind me. I parked the car and ran into the reception and I pulled a stunt.
Stunt puller? You're taking risk. You know I've told you this. This is the reason you really have to stop. You have to stop. Besides, these ladies you're going after, your wife is more beautiful than them. And she's of more beautiful shape. So I don't know what in particular you are looking from these girls, these pin-up girls. What are you looking for?
Fun.
I can imagine you. Fun. Just fun. I don't seem to understand you again.
Listen, the truth is, I'm always one step ahead of Lady Moon. So let's not worry about her. So I feel like it's important we do not talk about her. She has ended up ruining today by trying to trail me. So I suggest we focus on why we're here. We don't have to talk about her anymore. Yeah.
It's not like we're talking about how the earlier the better. Every day is for the thief. One day. So, how are we going to meet up with that project?
I have to call him and whatever he says, I'll let you know.
So you came back. Of course I am here. You came back earlier than expected. Huh?
You don't want to know what happened today.
His wife showed up, right?
How do you know?
Babe, you should know. Most women trail their husbands. In fact, they do that without the knowledge of this man.
Yes. That was what happened today.
And so when she showed up, what happened next?
Babes, you won't believe it. Everything happened so fast. I just got to the place. I mean, I went to the bathroom to take a shower.
Okay.
I had a knock on the door. And the person said room service. And because I was sure I didn't call, for maintenance or anything of sort. But then I had to open the door to be sure who it was. And then I went to open the door. Boom!
Really?
It was his wife. I'm not kidding you.
That is to say, he wasn't there when she showed up, right?
Yeah, he wasn't there. And thank God he wasn't there, because if he was there, what would I have done?
Anyway, girl, I think what you saw today is a sign. I mean, a warning for you to stay off that man. If I were you, I would concentrate more on a money. Honestly.
Oh, jeez. Okay. I think we've come to an end of this conversation.
Why are you always
No,
ang-
we just have to change topic. Okay? We're done talking about
Why are you always angry each time I try to tell you to leave this man?
Because you don't become enemy of progress, babes.
How?
You won't make hunger kill me for this town. Like, what are you even talking about? I should leave the man. Why?
Hunger does not kill a determined person.
It doesn't.
Yeah. I want you to stick with Amani. Plan your life with Amani. And enjoy a beautiful future with him.
Oh, please, not again. Not again, girl. Okay? Is there food in this house? Because I'm famished.
Yes,
Hunger, they
ma'am.
catch me,
There
they
is
talk
food.
with you, I don't know where.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am.
In your own words, you lost appetite in your own food. What's that about?
Some days are like that, you know.
That doesn't answer my question.
I just didn't feel like continuing with the food.
Still doesn't answer my question. I want to know why. Because we're saying the same thing. Why did you stop eating?
Babe, don't bother yourself about me. I'm okay.
Okay. What would you like to eat? Tell me and I'll prepare it for you. Yeah, you heard me right. I'm waiting to get a response from you.
Babe, honestly, I'm okay.
Listen, I am not going to take that. You know it is not in my character to let you go to bed hungry. I will never do that.
Alright, you win. Let's go back to the table.
Now you're talking.
Can lead us to temptation. So beware of your actions. The steps you take, someone is watching. It's your way. It's just way to destruction. That's way. That's way to destruction.
So tell me, my darling, were you able to catch your husband last night?
I went to that hotel and he was not there.
I don't understand. I mean, are you trying to tell me that the information you were given is wrong?
No, I don't think so. The information wasn't wrong. Because I got to the hotel and the girl that I saw there was the exact description as it was given to me. But Pinkala was not there.
So what happened?
It happened swiftly. Like, I followed him.
Okay.
He entered the hotel. I entered the hotel. I think it was at that long passage that leads to different rooms that I missed him.
Ah,
But I already had the room number, so I went straight to the room.
my darling, you should know your husband better. Huh? Your husband is a very smart man. Don't tell me you are going to back down right now. I mean, don't you still want to catch him red-handed?
Oh, of course I want to catch him red-handed. I do want to catch him red-handed. You can't believe he came back yesterday pretending to be all so nice. Like, I almost fell for it.
There you go again. I mean, why is it that you do not want to understand this man called your husband? He's a very smart man. I mean, your husband is the kind of man that will go out and do something very, very bad, and then he will come home acting all nice, all sweet, just to pretend.
Enough of my husband. You seem to know him too well. How about your man?
My man. My king, you mean? Well, if you must know, my king is doing great. Thank you.
So why are you into young men if your husband is faithful?
F-U-N. Fun, baby. I love fun.
These young guys are so strong, so full of strength
What are
and
you
vigor, so
saying?
passionate.
Especially those ones around 20, 28, so powerful, I mean, so strong. I've tasted lots of them, trust me, come on.
Here I am, thinking that I'm the bad one, but you, my friend, you are the Badowski.
Not the bad one. Well, you can call me Sassy.
Sassy Badowski.
Ah, whatever. I haven't heard you say you love me today.
I love you.
I love you
Hold
too.
on 1 second.
Okay.
Hello. Just hanging there, okay? Do not knock. I'm coming to get you myself. Yes. Tony! This kid, man. Tony! Mama! Oh, you would have waited for me to call you a fourth time.
Ma?
Come here.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
How many times are you going to greet me?
Greetings.
It's okay. It's okay. You would go into your room and lock yourself there for 5 minutes.
Lock myself.
Yes, I said you will get into your room and be there for 5 minutes.
Madam, we made it.
What did I say? Repeat it.
You say you will go in and lock
You
myself.
will go inside.
I will go inside
Yes.
and lock myself inside.
For how many minutes?
5 minutes.
Good. Go. Now.
Madam, tell me, if you say it, let me.
Your time is counting. Jeez.
Okay, seriously, I do not understand. How do you cope with this thing?
Don't mind him, he's just a lousy fellow, but he's very honest.
Honest.
Excuse me, let me go.
Honest indeed.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Ain't you gonna offer him a seat?
He's fine standing by my side.
Oh, I see. You know, he's really handsome.
Thank you.
Wow.
Annabelle, At this point, I think I have to go get busy.
Okay.
So I'll see you later. Right?
Later when?
I don't know. Sometime in the day, I'll call you.
Okay,
I'll call you.
What time?
I don't know, Annabelle. Anytime, I'll just give you a call. I need to go get busy with my baby, you know.
It's okay. Go have fun.
It's your home. You can feel at home. I love you.
I love you too.
Follow me. Come on.
I envy you. I envy you. But then I gotta go.
Tony! Tony! Please come and open the gate.
Madam, won't go.
Yes, come and open it.
Okay, so, ma'am, I thought they come out from. Oh, sorry, my bad.
No. Leave it now, eh? Just leave it like that. Huh?
Hey, no vex, madam. You know, say, as I no go school, this idiot no go school as well.
No, don't worry. Just leave it. I like it like that, okay? Hi.
You do?
Yes. I just fell in love with the size.
Are you serious?
Hi.
No vex.
So tell me, do you know how to use it? Huh?
Use what?
Your sugar candy.
Madam, this is the only instrument that I know how to use very well.
Really?
I'm telling you. That's why they call me Papa.
Ah!
It's all. Hey, see, madam, any woman that I handle with this instrument, if that woman no speak in tongue, call me bastard. I tell you. I know how to handle it very well. In fact, once if I begin to throttle, if I begin to fire with this thing, 1 hour, 2 hours, I'm still throttling. By mistake, I place my 2 legs on the wall. Akaragasa. You want to come back again?
Wow. I never knew such beauty lies in between his legs. And it has been wasting.
Madam, can we try it? As in,
try what? Huh?
Try more bakery because just
Tony,
see, you will like it if I
enough, okay? Just open the gate, let me go.
Madam Biko, you have just triggered me. Every part of the thing is increasing.
Can you just stop? Open this gate, let me go.
Madam Biko, let's just enter inside. Even if it is the cap only, you will like it.
I don't understand. So if I lie down now and open my legs, Tony, you will enter.
Madam, I swear, you will like it. Walk here, just come. You will ask for more.
Okay, Tony, if in 5 seconds you do not open that gate,
Madam Biko,
I will walk up to your madam and I will tell her that you have been harassing me sexually.
Mbao. Madam, the gate is open already.
Just stop, okay?
What is it?
I don't think this is
man.
Babe, why? What's your problem? Why?
So this is your matrimonial home, man. We can't be doing this in your matrimonial home and your matrimonial bed. It's absolutely wrong.
Can you allow me worry about that?
Look, this is not right, babe.
Stop.
I wish I can stop, but I can't, please.
Kelly, what exactly is your problem?
What I'm trying to say is that we can't have it here. Why not we get another room or something? This is
where I want it, and that's final. You want to get another room? Is it your house?
Okay, what if your husband walks in at the point where we're having fun or something and he caught us in there? So what are you going to say? That spells trouble.
My husband is not coming back now. Can you just stop this?
Babe, you can't say this, all right? He might just walk in.
I said he's not walking in. Stop! Come on.
Look, am I asking for too much?
You're not asking for too much, but you're just killing the mood. You're killing the vibes. Come on.
It's all right. It's all right.
Why are you like this? Come to mama. Come give me some sugar. See your pointed nose. Come on. Come on. Of course I'm ready for it. I'm ready for it.
I promise you, I'm going to cause massive damage to this bedroom right now.
I cannot wait.
You're going to pay for this. That will be on you between you and yours. Are you sure you're ready for this?
Oh, yeah. Why are we here?
I'm going to cause massive damage to this bedroom right now. Don't tear me.
Give it to me, babe. You know how I like it.
Yeah, who's there? Come in. Amali, how are you?
I'm fine.
Well, Sochi just stepped out. She's not at home.
Well, Nelly, I'm not here to see Sochi. I'm here to see you.
You're here to see me.
Yes.
I hope there is no problem.
No, there is no problem.
Oh, just sit.
All right, thank you. Please tell me the truth, Nelly. Is Sochi seeing another man?
Oh my God, Amali.
What is funny? I mean, why are you laughing?
Oh my God, your question is so funny. I am sure you are madly in love with her, right?
Of course you know I love Sochi. I love Sochi with everything in me.
It's okay. Can I tell you the truth?
Just tell me the truth.
Will you believe me if I tell you?
Tell me.
Okay. Sochi loves you so much. Yes. She's not cheating on you. What?
Are you for real?
Yeah, she loves you.
Come on, Nelly, you almost killed me.
How? What did I do?
My mind almost jumped out of my mouth.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What is it? You're so funny. Listen, I know you love her, but you need to trust her as well. Remove every form of doubt, suspicion, so at least you can enjoy your love with her. All right?
You're right. You're right. I will try.
Just try. You have to do it.
I will try.
Okay?
Yeah.
Love her, boy.
Those information. Excuse me. No, that information is really wrong. We sold all of those properties, but we have 50 more behind government house. Yeah. Just let me know. Just let me know. I'm always here. All right. Thank you. Thank you.
You called him.
Hi, how are you?
Very well, thank you, sir.
I want you to close work at 4 p.m. today.
Why, sir?
Sit down.
Okay, sir. Sir, is there any problem?
I know some very nice restaurants I would like to take you to. Let's go have dinner.
Oh. What are we celebrating?
All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy.
I get it.
So are you in or out?
I mean,
Alright then, I'll come pick you up in the evening.
that's fine, sir.
Good. Did the company reply the email?
Not yet, sir.
What's keeping them? Why are they taking so long?
I wouldn't know, but would you like me to send them a reminder?
No. Give them until the end of today. If they don't respond, then you can remind them.
Okay, that's perfect, sir.
I can't find the files, the documents for the property behind Government House. Kindly check if they're here.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Just the drawer all the way down. Yeah. No, down. Down. No, the one down. The one all the way down.
Alright.
That was super hot. My goodness.
Okay, so you like the way I ride on you with my 9 inches, right?
I didn't just like it, I loved it.
Ah,
And I'm going to make your money 1.5.
You what? You made me 1.5, right? Oh my god. Oh, babe. Yeah, you're darling, okay? Oh my god, I'm so happy, I'm so excited.
Where are you going? What's that?
I want to dress up. I'm going home.
Not yet. We're not done.
Babe, the truth is that I'm not comfortable.
You're not comfortable with me?
No, babe. Not that I'm not comfortable too. The thing is that, you know how this thing works now. Your husband might just walk in and probably...
But I thought we have talked about this before.
Sweetheart, I know we've talked about this, but we just have to tread with caution.
My husband is not coming back now. Come on.
Are you sure about that?
I'm sure. I'm very sure. Like you were about going. I mean, you promised me 3 rounds. We had just 1.
And just the
You
one
want
round,
to go.
the one round I'm giving to you is screaming all the whole house down. You want to call the neighborhood that someone is dismantling something
So who's
around
going
here,
to
right?
give me the other
Oh,
2
you're a
rounds?
crazy girl.
Come on.
You're inviting what you don't want, right?
I want it.
You want it, right? I think I need to take something. Let me energize
Okay, I'll get you something. What do you want? You want it hot?
No, something milky.
Milky. Milky.
All right.
Like I milk you.
Milk me around. Let me... Oh, wait, this is...
Yes, sir. I found it.
Did I ever tell you you are beautiful?
No.
Oh shit. What the hell was I thinking?
Well, sir, I wouldn't know what you were thinking.
You know, I should have told you that you're beautiful from the very first time you started working with me. I'm
But,
sorry
sir,
about that.
Come on. You don't have to apologize. Besides, it's not long I've been working for you.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying that I should have told you that you are gorgeously beautiful. And I can't take my eyes off you.
You are quite funny, sir.
Am I?
Of course you are. I mean,
And what are you doing smiling at my man?
That's not the right question to ask when barging into someone's office.
Don't tell me you're trying to justify whatever you're doing with her.
What does that mean? Hey, get out. Knock before you enter.
You didn't just say that to me.
I'll reiterate myself. Get out, knock before you enter my office.
Well, sir, I will just have to. I'll be at my desk. Here's the file, and thank you. Excuse me.
Are you doing this because of that girl?
You have 10 seconds to get out of my office, knock, and wait for me to say enter before you come in. Else, I'll be forced to throw you out and you'll never see me again.
It's fine. I'm only going to do this for the purpose of courtesy.
Oh, please. Go and knock before you enter my office. Who the hell do you think you are? Huh?
Whatever it is you're planning will not work.
And what is that thing you think I'm trying to do?
You already know what you're planning. But I have bad news for you. It will not work because I'll go to any length to make sure I frustrate your efforts.
Why are you blowing out hair? Tell me. What is it? Why are you getting worked up? For the records, I have nothing to do with him. I mean, that's another woman's husband. He's a married man, for God's sake. Why are you dragging him?
I should be asking you that. Why are you dragging him?
Well, I will never drag him. I will never do that.
Pretender.
Well, I'll keep telling the pretender that I am not a pretender.
It is written all over you. Look at you. It's written all over you. So there's no point trying to deny it. Now let me tell you, if I ever confirm my suspicions that you are having anything to do with my man, I swear to God, I'll make sure you disappear from the surface of this earth. Mark my words.
Why are you this desperate over another woman's husband? I mean, if you were to be your husband, what would happen?
How dare you? How dare you ask me that kind of stupid question? Are you mad?
Listen, what I will not take is you coming here to rain abuses on me. I won't take it.
This is the second time in the space of 3 days that you're saying this to me. Now I ask you again, what will you do? No, what will you do if I abuse you? What will you do?
You know what? It's still too early for this.
A coward indeed. Idiot.
Come in.
What is going on?
I don't understand.
You no longer pick my calls and you don't return them.
Because you call me at odd hours.
What do you mean I call you at odd hours?
Do I remind you that after 9 p.m. I don't take calls? Or do you expect me to take your calls in front of my wife?
Kala, don't you think it's high time you told your wife about me?
Sorry, what did you say? And who the hell are you?
Your wife needs to know that there's someone like me in your life. I mean, she needs to respect what I share with you.
Sorry, did you smoke before you came here? Are you out of your mind? Are you alright?
Kala, of course you know I am.
No, you're not okay. Because if you are, you wouldn't say that.
Pinkala, what do you take me for?
What stupid question is that?
The question is simple and I need an honest answer.
Okay. To be honest, you're just a side chick. And that's where it ends.
Now you just confirmed you don't love me.
Listen, I honestly don't want to be rude to you, all right? But before you came in here, I was doing something, so I want to continue with my work. Kindly leave.
What? Are you asking me out of your office?
I don't want to throw you out. Just leave.
Body the sweeter, sweeter. Anything where you want it go give you. Body the sweeter, sweeter. Anything where you want it go give you. Money no be wala, wala. Make up run so boo, wala. Money no be wala, wala. Make up run so boo, wala. Body the sweeter, sweeter. Talk what you want to go give.
Girlfriend, that reminds me. Amani was here shortly after you stepped out.
What does he want?
I don't understand. Your boyfriend, your man, was here to ask after you. And all you could say is, what does he want?
What is wrong with my question?
Girlfriend, everything is wrong with this question.
And what is the everything wrong with the question? Explain. Now you get Mike talk.
That is an explanation for another day. Meanwhile, Amani is suspicious.
Suspicious? Suspicious of what? What do you mean by that?
Yes, you have to tread carefully because he was asking if you are seeing another man.
I don't understand. Is it bring that level where you and they talk, they ask you? Why is it like, I don't understand. Like, waiting when I talk which saying they suspect. I don't understand.
Me too, I don't understand your reaction. So the guy in question is your boyfriend. He has every right to ask if you are seeing another man.
Defender of the universe. The guy. What do you call him?
Your boyfriend now.
The guy. Boyfriend.
Uh-huh.
Oh, great. He's not my husband. Until he go and pay something for this head, I'm not answerable to him.
Oh, really?
You did hear him, Abi? Yes. Yes.
Ooh, the way I laugh when I see people deceiving themselves.
People deceiving themselves.
Yes. Yes, now. That your painkiller.
Trying to be painkiller.
What do they call him? Painkiller. I beg you.
Painkiller. That's how it's called.
What did they worry this one? Has he paid anything? He get anything we pay for your head? Oh yes, you are answerable to him. But a young guy who has every chance of making it big in life and can equally make you his wife.
Wonder.
You don't want to be answerable to him. Are you not deceiving yourself?
Hey, listen. I know say the fine talk from my mouth. I know you want to hear what I'll say, but I'll tell you now so your body will calm down. You see, what's his name? Amani or whatever he's called. Until he makes it in life, until he makes money, I am not answerable to him.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
So it's all about the money.
Oh yeah, it is.
Money, money, money.
It's all about the money, money, money. The chatters, the kudi, the ego. What are you even saying? What do you mean? See, you think I'm like you, that like to pretend. You don't have time to pretend. You don't have time for jobless, broke-ass guys.
Wow.
Now wow too.
But all I have to tell you is that Amani loves you. Just try as much as possible and love him back.
Oh, please! What be this now, Nelly? What did they happen now? Why you and person no go sit down talk something productive, innovative, meaningful? Why you would stress me for this house all the time?
Okay, you don't do it's okay. Start up that innovative and productive discussion. Now you start up something. Let's talk about it. Start. Then we could discuss them.
You know what? I think I'm done here. What am I even doing here? That's why I want to talk with you. When we say any small thing, you going to talk of Amani.
If no be a man, you dey preach sermon. Like waiting now. Waiting happen now. Why you gonna disturb my brain all the time? With guy wey be say you no just want upgrade in life. You no want step up.
It's okay now. You bring up the innovative, productive discussion. No, bring it up now. Let's discuss. Come, where are you going to? Sochi, come back here.
Wait, I don't understand. Who you dey talk to like that? I be your servant. I be your...
Sochi. Oh, you don't want to hear the truth, right? You don't want to hear the truth. It's okay. And I know they come last, though. And I know they come last. Because I know what you're doing.
Anyway, how was work today? Nadia, so stressful as usual. What about yours?
Same, my sister.
I can't wait to have a rest. Thank God the weekend is almost here.
Yes, TGIF. Thank God.
Honestly. Hey, that reminds me. You said there is something you needed to tell me on phone.
Well, yes. My boss asked me to go out on a dinner date with him.
I hope you objected.
No.
What? Why?
Come on, it's just a dinner date. That's it.
You sounded as if you don't know the kind of boss you have.
Trust me, I know my boss more than you do. Come on.
No. EJ, listen. I don't want that. You have to start objecting. You don't have to run for your life. Or have you started accepting his offer?
Trust me, I know how to handle him. And as for his offer, what offer are you talking about?
To be his side chick, and in return, he takes good care of you.
God forbid. That's the last thing I'll ever do in this world. What are you talking about?
Then
Please.
start rejecting his offer by saying no to the invitation.
Well, Ella, you need to relax, okay? I'm a grown woman. I know when to crawl, I know when to run, and I know when to walk. Okay, so relax yourself.
That sister amazes me. Anyway, who am I? Just be careful. You know your boss is a sharpshooter. No, Be careful. I don't want to hear
always
stories.
careful.
Because
trust me.
other girls will say that I'm always careful.
I am
before
not
you know,
other girls. Can you calm down? I'm a Gemma. Calm down.
Okay.
Yes.
Before, I don't want to hear say you let her fall in love and then
Look at me, they fell in love. Have you ever seen me that fall in love? Idiot.
Babe, what's up?
Hey,
Come.
please, just sit up for me.
Babe, what is it? Why are you looking this way? You are not looking happy at all. What is it? Huh?
Hey, please don't touch me. You are the most useless human being in the planet Earth.
Babe, why do you address me like that?
Because you are useless.
Okay, what is my offense?
What did you discuss with my friend over at my place? What
Babe.
did you guys talk about?
Babe, come on. We didn't say anything wrong about you. We said nothing bad about you.
You see? You see how I can tell you're lying? How did you know I was talking about you talking with my friend about me? So now tell me, what was the discussion about? I want to hear it.
Babe, it's nothing serious. Come on, I was just afraid that probably you are seeing another person and I just have to ask your friend if my instincts are right. I mean, I did nothing wrong.
Why? Why are you asking her? Do you know that singular question, do you know the damage you did with it? You went and you sold me out cheaply.
Oh, no, babe.
That is what you did.
No, babe, don't see it that way.
How do I see it? It is what it is. You sold me cheaply and you made me look like I'm sleeping with different men.
No. Babe, you misinterpreted my intentions.
Is it?
Yes.
So what was your intention?
Babe, I cannot say such a thing about you. You should know that by now. I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. I don't need your sorry. You know why? Because the deed is done. You already did the worst. Okay?
Babe, I am sorry, okay? I'm sorry. Let it be bygone, okay? Come on. Huh?
I said don't touch me. I'm not okay. If that's what you're going to ask. I'm not okay.
Babe, come on, stop acting up. What I did was, I was just curious to know. I mean, you are my girlfriend.
I'm tired. I'm tired of you. You're not behaving like a grown man. When are you going to grow up? When?
Did you really think about what you said now? Before you uttered it?
I'm so done. I'm tired. I can't keep on keeping up with you. I'm so pissed off. Okay?
Babe, this has not gotten to
I don't
this.
want
I mean,
to ever
the point
see
of
you
getting
again.
angry.
I don't want to ever see you again. That's what I came to say to you. Okay? The summary of this whole talk is that I don't want to ever see you again. Ever. Excuse me.
Who did that? Who?
It's me, open the gate.
Hi. Hi. Go. Hi. What's happening now? What's happening? I don't wait for you since. What's happening?
They wait for my madam too.
Afana, what's happening? I don't wait for you since.
I did wait to make my mother come out.
Half she don't come out. She don't come out. Miracle don't tire Jesus. You sure say your mother? No, tell me the truth.
You don't see me here, my mother don't come out.
You sure say she don't come out?
She don't come out, Tony.
Wait, Idara. Your mother in the house, Abi?
My mother know the house, she don't come out.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
What is that?
Maybe see, we go get time for ourselves. You know what? Move it. Free. Go.
Wait now.
Wait again. Why now?
Wait first.
I don't want to eat this one. This one is not my problem. I don't want to eat. Then can you eat it? Yeah.
Wait. Were you not the one shouting on the phone that you're hungry?
I was hungry, and yes, now. Yeah, I shouted that I'm hungry. The hungry that I'm talking about is not this one. It's this one now.
What other hunger?
No.
Wait. You should have told me now so that I'll bath.
Bath, get it? I don't want it. I want it when this is doing. It is in the that I like
No,
it.
my body is coming. No, I can't.
If it is smell, from that smell, the sweet will come. Now the thing, if I open at night, you think, whoa, that is the sweetness.
Oh yeah, wait.
Oh, yeah.
Tomorrow now, you say I'm a dirty girl.
If I say it, let me die.
Sochi, why are you punishing this guy?
Stay out of this.
No, I will not. In fact, I wish I can, but I couldn't.
Nelly,
The
stop.
only crime this guy committed is loving you.
I said stop.
I will not stop because I will tell you the truth to your face.
What nonsense truth are you talking about? This guy, my relationship with him is more parasitic than symbiotic. What is it?
Oh, really? So because you lend him money just twice, small money or small chicken money, you already seen your relationship with him as being parasitic.
Small money, small chinkini money. Give me the money. What do you mean? Is he not a man? No be mates, they go, they make money, become millionaires, billionaires. They fly their babes, go Dubai, go holiday. Now me want to give him money. Why should I be the one to give him money? I am the woman. So after spending my money with him tomorrow, he will dump me for another woman.
It's a lie. Not the Amani I know. I know he cannot do such a thing.
Hold up. There are money you know. There are money. Where you take now? How you take now? No, I want to dey understand. Maybe another thing day why I don't know. Because as things be now, so I suspect you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah, you are entitled to your own opinion and thought. I don't even care, but I will tell you the truth.
You did. Oh, God. You tell me the truth.
Yes.
What do you mean by that?
Yes, because I know the next thing now, you will tell me that I date multiple guys.
No be true.
Yes, it's
Is
true.
that not the truth?
But they are not married men, single guys. If one of these guys I date can as much as love me the way Amani loves you, I will concentrate on that particular one person and forget about the rest. It is me.
I don't really suffer. Why are you always in my business? Why are you in my... I don't even interfere in yours. Why be say you no go come on? You poke nosing in my life, girl.
Come out hand for married men. Face your guy, Amani.
See, I don't know what you want me to do. Like I should practically worship Amani, my Lord and personal Savior. I should reference him. Oh my God, Amani, I love you. Now what you want make I do now? I become fool. Let me ask you one question. Should I love I go chop? You never see where they carry love, they buy designer bag, Givenchy, Gucci. Love they buy am, and money they take they buy am. Nonsense.
Sometimes I wonder where you get all this your orientation from. What kind of orientation is this? Listen, I will keep telling you just the way I have been telling you. Love Amani.
Love Amani.
Allow him love you back.
Allow him love you back. See, now I realize that you don't like me. You don't like me. You actually hate me.
How?
You ask me how.
I'm giving you world-class advice. Use it today and enjoy tomorrow.
Yes, so world-class advice.
Use it today and enjoy tomorrow.
The advisor of the universe. See, you see me sitting down here. I am the last person that will buy into that idea of suffer with a man and enjoy with him tomorrow. Build your future with him. Which nonsense future? Future where you go build finish. After investing your whole life, your resources in a person or in a man, he will now end up looking for small girls dumping you. And me, I won't scam. Nobody will scam me. Nobody will scam me.
I can see you are ready for this argument today.
Yes, so I'm ready.
You are ready.
Today.
I am not ready today. Next time.
Oh, you're not ready? Better.
Annabelle.
Moon baby.
You sounded very urgent on the phone.
Yeah, right.
Are you
Come
okay?
downstairs. I'm fine. Come here, baby.
I'll be right there.
How you doing?
Very well, thank you.
Okay, so is your husband around?
No, he's gone to work.
Good. You know, my dear friend, I just got informed that your husband is doing his secretary.
That's not possible. My husband cannot be so daft to sleep with his secretary.
Okay, so why am I not surprised? Because I knew this was what you were going to say to me. But my darling, I am telling you that that is the truth. He is doing his secretary.
Do you have proof to this claim?
Well, they were together last night.
Where?
Where? I said last night, not right now. So calm down. My darling, they were together last night in a VIP bar, in an exotic bar in the city.
Are you sure about this?
My darling, my intel can never lie to me. He can't.
Do you have proof to substantiate your claim? This is my marriage we're talking about. It's delicate.
Okay, look at me very well. I am Annabelle, not some secret detective. All right? If you need a picture or whatever, you have to pay for it, my dear.
Look, Annabelle, it's not like I'm doubting you. I'm not. But please tell your intel to get some proof, get pictures, so that I would have evidence, concrete evidence, and not just hearsays.
My darling, look at me very well. Do I look like a secret detective to you? If you want my intel to get you evidence, pictorial evidence or whatever it is you call it, you have to pay.
It's okay. I already know what to do.
Good for you. Meanwhile, I am famished, so what do you have in this house?
This is as good as your house. Make yourself comfortable.
I should make myself comfortable. Babe, now make yourself comfortable, make yourself comfortable. 9 person they use snatch person husband. I'm not saying I'm gonna snatch your husband, so chill, okay? Alright, babe, get me something to.
You called me, sir.
Sit down.
I'll prefer to stand.
Why?
Work ethics.
Ignore the work ethics and sit down. That's an order.
No, sir.
I can clearly see you're serious with work ethics.
Oh, sir. That's exactly what puts food on my table, so I should be serious about it.
Let me ask, did you think about my proposal to you yesterday?
Sir, but there's actually nothing to think about, like I told you.
You promised you were going to think about it and give me feedback.
My answer remains no. I know this office will run better if we stick to work ethics.
Are you trying to turn me down?
Well, sir, I have a boyfriend and we're in a serious relationship.
I'm not asking you to leave your boyfriend.
Well, I do not double date, sir.
I see. All right, I'll make you an offer. How about I up your salary and give you a befitting apartment?
Quite tempting, but even if you were to give me 3 times my current salary and even the whole world, my answer remains no. I'm sorry.
The thing is, the more you say no to me, the more I want to have a taste of you. Listen, go there, get me that file underneath. Yeah, there's a file there. There's a company name written on it.
How many times have I warned you not to come to my house without my approval?
I've been calling you, but you were not taking your calls. I thought something was wrong and I decided to come and check up on you.
Are you dumb? Huh. You called me, I wasn't picking up, and you decided to come. Why?
Anyway, I'm sorry if that offends you. Hmm?
Yeah, I think I have to say this to you. Please, don't have too much expectations of me. Okay?
What is that?
Yeah, I should tell you everything. I can't continue this relationship with you anymore.
Babe, you didn't just say this.
I did. I just did. I mean, you and I, this relationship, it's not working. It's not leading anywhere. And I can't continue to suffer and smile in it. We just have to end it. Let's call it quit.
Sochi.
Stay away from this.
Alright babe, I understand. Maybe I must have trespassed, but I am sorry. Okay, whatever then it is, just forgive me. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry, okay?
I think I've made my message clear. And you have to leave now.
Babe, if this is a joke, can you just stop? Alright. You see, I am sorry.
Don't touch me.
Babe, come on. I love you. I cherish you so much and I will forever love you.
Hey, don't. Oh God. I said don't touch me with poverty hands. Don't touch me. It's not too much to ask.
Babe, see, I love you so much. I cherish you a lot and you know this. And I'm ready to die for you. I love you so much. I mean...
Please don't die for me. Not in this house, please. We don't have what it takes to take care of a dead body. You love me, you love... Love not food. Shebi I go chop love. Or you think love is what makes and keeps me like this? This embodiment of beauty. You think it is love? No. It is money. It is someone's effort that's keeping me this way.
Sochi.
Let me tell him the truth.
Why are you doing this? This is wrong. Telling him that.
Alright, hold on. What did I just hear you say? Embodiment of beauty is another man's work.
You heard right. Another man is who is making sure I am looking this fine.
Oh. So, all this have been through all this while, I mean, you cheating?
All this is, yes, however you see it. Now your suspicion is confirmed. Get out of my house.
Wait, just... Sochi.
Did you hear what I said?
Picala.
Oh yeah.
See the freshest, youngest, #1 landlord in the whole of Delta State.
Number 2.
You're number 1.
Number 2.
You are number 1. And you know why?
Why?
Because your buildings, you build with modern beautification. Unlike your counterpart who are busy, still basking in the euphoria of old structures. Check it now.
Indeed.
Yes.
My brother, house na house.
I disagree. House no be house when it comes to what you're building. Yours stands out.
Well, thank you very much. I appreciate the compliment. However, do not try to change the reason why I have asked you to come.
Pardon me, please. Pardon me, my guy.
Good.
So,
I know this would sound very surprising to you, but I'd like to go into film production. Yeah, I was told, movie practitioners here in Delta State make a lot of money, so I'd like to see what it's about.
upon all the various investments in this whole wide world, why film production? Why?
Well, let's say the secret to success is having multiple streams of income. Yeah. So I'd like to, have other streams of income apart from real estate.
Talking about streams of income, that sounds right.
Mm-hmm.
But what amount are you going to gain from it compared to what real estate and automobile business you're into that is offering you already?
Well, I hear it gives a huge return of investment. And as a businessman, I wouldn't want to restrict, my businesses, to just making money from one business. I'd like to have multiple streams of income.
Multiple streams of income?
Yes.
That sounds right.
Right.
And the big question is, how do you intend to go about it?
That's why you're here. Remember you once told me you know someone who's a producer and who's very good at it.
Right.
So I'd like for us to invite him and let's, have a conversation and let's network and let's see what we can do,
In that case, I'll have to work on it fast.
Great.
No problem.
I have warned you to stop interfering in my relationship. I don't tell you, you don't chook mouth for my matter. I don't know again how I want to tell you, make you hear.
Honestly, I didn't want to interfere, but I just can't help it. From what played out here today, so money has been the problem between you and a man.
Of course, money has been the problem. I don't ever hide out from you. I've ever hidden the fact that money is a problem. Why should a poor man talk to a woman? Why man we no get money go to talk to a girl?
That he does not have today doesn't mean he will not have tomorrow.
Motivational quotes. Now you won't take, no be today. See, I tell you, I know be all those girls who don't use motivational quotes deceive. They'll spend their lives with these men and end up wasting their time. As for me, count me out. All this one way they talk, I can't listen to it.
So, do you now mean to say that you would not, you cannot have patience with a man? A single man at that, who loves you genuinely, that can even make you his wife. In fact, this man apologizes to you anytime, even when he is not wrong. So you can't be patient with such a man.
Patient? What's that? I've never heard of that word before. What's patient? See, a man has to be a man first, before any conversation starts. And what makes a man is how much money he has, how loaded he is. Which one be patient? You know anything do patient dog? No patient dog these days. Nobody dey patient for anybody. Can't be saying me. I won't try it.
I'm seeing another side of you. Really. See, we both know that Amani is a man with a good prospect. In fact, he has a bright future. We both know.
Hey, I hear word. That's why we come up from here now. Empty. Come. If you shake and turn am, nothing will come out. Shishi. No. Wait, which one? Bright future for where? Nothing there. Babe, see, I tell you. Okay, now because they're fine, handsome, you come here, they do. Now you take the measure future. Will be all those ones now. A guy that has future is a guy that can provide for his woman. As simple as that.
Listen, I am not mistaken both. I know when a man has a bright future, and I know when a man is a fine guy. I know both, and I can relate. You, Sochi, once told me that Amani is a guy with a good prospect, that he has a very bright future. So I keep wondering, what changed?
Once I was blind, but now I can see.
Na lie, yo. Na lie. Like, now you blind. You were actually blind now.
That's a lie. It's now I can see. Kukuru, my eye don't clear. It be like they just comot veil from my face. I dey see everything. I dey see everything clear.
You are making a big mistake, oh.
Nothing like that. Babes.
You are making a big mistake.
I am making no mistakes. None.
If you say so, it's your life.
I say so. And I know so.
No problem. Continue.
Yes. It's my life. Let me live my life. Come out mouth for my life. Come on mouth for my matter.
I wish I can.
Pinkala!
What?
Pinkala! Now I understand why you want to go into film production.
Tell me why.
I've been cracking my brain like Pinkala of all people.
Right.
With the amount of money that you have, how much are you going to get from filmmaking? Hey!
I feel like you're misunderstanding things, bro.
Misunderstand what?
Right. You are.
You
Actually.
want to go into film production because of girls. Because of all these peanut girls coming into Nollywood. You're a bad guy.
Well, you win. Listen, I've been seeing a lot of them on screen. They're like very, very beautiful girls, and sometimes they strike me like mermaids. Do you know that?
Don't be deceived, my guy.
Mm-hmm.
See, they are not as beautiful as they appear on the screen. By the time you get closer to a lot of them, you will see that these people are really ugly.
Which is why I want to get in myself as an investor, so I can truly see things for myself. I mean, some of them are just gorgeous, too gorgeous. I see them on screen, I'm like, what the hell? How can a woman be this fine? Well, I totally, I know you're looking at me like, well, I said the truth. That's, one of the reasons why I want to, get into.
You can actually go this far just to get a girl. You can actually make this kind of sacrifice.
Well, listen, as a man, you need to have fun. You need to have fun because, tomorrow is not promised. So have fun. Because with all the stress that comes with work and what do? You need to have fun. Cool off, relax,
But don't let this fun put you in problem. If I must tell you something that is very important, be careful. Your wife might be watching you.
Well, I know she's watching, but no face, no case.
She obviously might be watching you. Be careful. By the way, how did it go with Ijema last night?
She's still proving very stubborn. Very, very stubborn. And sometimes it's very annoying.
In that case, she does not know who her boss is.
Well, she doesn't know I can actually go any length once I spot the right woman, But just give her some time, she'll come around. Yeah.
Wow.
But how did you listen? You're a crazy guy. Like, I was gonna keep a straight face, telling you that I want to invest in film production, and you just called me like.
Why wouldn't I know? Why wouldn't I know?
That thing that seems right. Oh, that's where that seems right. In our eyes, can lead us to destruction. Can lead us to.
What's the matter? You don't look happy. What is the matter? Yes, Chidi, I'm not happy. I'm not happy because Suchi has done to me.
Finally.
What do you mean by finally?
Amani, remember the day I told you she's going to dump you, right? Do you remember? Just think.
I don't.
See, let me tell you something. I am not a seer. I am not a prophet. I don't have 4 eyes, just a little eye. But anytime I open my mouth and tell you anything, you just got to believe it. Believe.
I never knew that a day like this will come. When Sochi would just leave me, abandon me like that.
So what exactly did you do to her?
I did nothing. Absolutely nothing to her.
Are you sure?
Chidi, you know me now. I'm a very calm person.
Are you sure?
Chidi, which one is that if I'm sure? Don't you know me?
Okay. Let me tell you what exactly you did to her. Amani, you need to look for money. You need to look for money. You need to work. She will come back and beg him. Just also look for money.
Chidi, is it my fault? Or am I not doing my best? Am I not doing my best? Is it my fault I don't have money? No, Chidi, no, you tell me. I leave my house every morning to be here. Chidi, you know I walk like a horse. From morning till down. Is it my fault I don't have money?
Your money is not your fault. You need to try hard. You're trying. I want you to try harder. Put more effort. And pray to your chi. And then bless your handwork. Just try more, bro. Try more. Yeah.
I've heard you. You made a valid point. I should pray to my chi because seriously, I've done my best as a human. I've done my best.
You gotta put more effort. Put more effort. Put more effort. Now, mind you be. Well, come on for this the way you just did. Put more effort. Oh, no one will run for you. Man, just try harder. Just forget about the girl. Forget about the girl. I promise you, see, once you make money, she will come back to you. She will come back. All your thinking and focus are supposed to be money, hustling. Hit the money, look for the money, never miss. In a legit way. Just try. She will come back to you.
I've heard you.
Later.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, Tony. How are you?
I am fine.
Thank you.
Welcome, ma.
Thank you so much.
Madam is inside. Yes.
It's not your madam that I came to see. I came to see you.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
I hope I'm safe.
You're very, very safe, my darling.
She called me darling, my darling. What? So, what can I do for you?
Listen, what I want to discuss with you is not something we can discuss here. Okay? Let's go inside your room and talk about it.
Inside my room?
Yes.
So, that thing that you want us to go and discuss inside my room, we cannot discuss it here.
No, we cannot. Yes.
I understand the signal. Let us go.
All right, let's go. After you. Come on.
Yes, so, yes, we are here now. Okay. So, what do you want me to do for you?
Nothing much. Okay? Just relax. Alright?
Yes.
But meanwhile, go and lock your door.
No bother.
Yes, now. Come on. Just do as I say, okay? Please. Yes, just lock the door. Go on now. Lock it.
Yes. Door locked.
Okay.
Don't lock the door. Perfect.
You remember that question I asked you the other day?
What was
the question I asked you? I said, how well can you use what you have here?
That. Very well.
Are you sure?
Adam Aswad very well. I remember telling you that this is the only thing I know how to do well. This is the perfect. I can do it perfectly well.
Really?
Then this one that if I do like this, you will like it. Anyway, go.
So you mean to tell me that you can satisfy me very well?
Go.
Eh?
So
what are we waiting for then? Come on, I want to have the taste.
Are you serious?
Come on. How do you want it?
Madam, just want to see. Just want the one with the inside.
Alright.
Don't make it one, just one with the inside. Okay.
Who are you?
My name is Idara.
And what were you doing hanging around my compound?
Oh, okay, I came to check if you have water so I can fetch some.
Do you live around here?
Yes, at house 15.
You stay in Chief Lawrence's compound?
Yes, ma.
We have water. You can fetch. But when you come, you knock and we'll give you access. Do not go hanging around my compound like a criminal, okay?
Okay. Let me go get my bucket.
Very well.
Boss, you have it, sir.
Everything okay?
Yeah.
Or any sales?
We have some.
Okay. All right. Just excuse us.
All right.
Are you all right?
Yes, sir.
So I own this place. This is my car mart.
Really?
Yes.
Wow, I thought you were only involved in real estate.
No. I do other businesses.
That's nice, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome. I intend to do more actually.
Wow, that's beautiful.
So I brought you here to make a choice.
A choice of what?
Choose a car and it's yours.
What?
You heard me right. Choose a car and it's yours. Just like that.
No, but that's not necessary, sir. I don't need a car. I'm okay, sir.
What?
I'm fine.
You don't need a car.
No, sir.
You can't miss this opportunity. If I were you, I'll take it. I'm not paying for it, so I should take it.
Sir, I appreciate your kind gesture, but my answer is no.
I insist.
Sorry, sir.
Come back here. Really? Someone is offering you a car on a platter of gold and you said no? If I were you, I'll take it.
I appreciate you,
You're not
sir.
paying for it.
I agree, but I don't need this right now. I think we should just go back to the office, please.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll join you.
Thank you.
Yes, boss. Someone is coming to take the white Mercedes.
Okay.
So get it ready. When the person comes, I'll give you a call.
Alright, sir. Take care, sir.
Body the sweeter, anything where you want it, he go give you. Body the sweeter, anything where you want it, he go give you. Money no be wala, make up run so boo. Money no be wala, make up run so boo. Body the sweeter, talk what you want to, he go give you. Body the sweeter, anything you want to, he go give you. Jai.
Well, I'm not doing anything with your husband.
But you were with him at the VIP bar 2 days ago.
Yeah, that's true.
What happened there?
Well, he asked me to dinner and I obliged.
Just like that?
Of course, ma'am.
And he took you to his car mat yesterday.
You're correct again, ma'am.
What did you go to do there?
Well, he offered to buy me a car, but I declined his offer.
Oh, you secretly accepted? I just tendered 2 incriminating evidence of your escapade with my husband, and I need you to strongly deny it with proof.